Hi, I'm Jeff Parker, Culinary Director for Bull Outdoor Products. Today I want to walk you through the care and maintenance of your grill. There are 3 different occasions when you want to clean your grill. Every time you use it, every couple of months depending on how often you use it, and then once a year right before you put it away at the end of grilling season. Every time you grill, preheat your grill for 10 to 15 minutes on high. Then use a stiff wire brush to remove any residue. Fold up a couple paper towels and dip them into a small bowl of vegetable oil, and then using a pair of tongs, run the paper towel over the grates. When you're finished cooking, turn the heat to high to burn off all the extra drippings. Turn off the burners and brush the grates. Once the grill is cooled down, wipe down the outside with a paper towel and some stainless steel cleaner. Every couple months, remove the cooking grates and the heat shields. Wash them with mild soap and warm water. Use a wire brush if necessary to remove any stubborn burned-on cooking residue. With the grates and the heat shields out, brush down the inside of the grill into the drip pan below. Be careful not to get any of the debris into the burners. Slide out and clean or replace the drip pan. Dry everything thoroughly and reassemble. Wipe down the outside with stainless steel cleaner and cover. Once a year, follow the same steps as you would for cleaning your grill every couple months. But this time, we're going to make sure that the burners are working properly. With the grates and the heat shields removed, turn all the burners on to see how even the flame is. If the flames are not even, the burners need to be cleaned. Make sure the gas is turned off and remove the burners from the grill. Use a wire brush on the exterior of the burners to remove any food residue or dirt. You can clean any of the clogged holes with an open paper clip and then simply tap out the debris. Inspect the burners for any cracks, reinstall the burners, replace the heat shields and grates, close the grill and wash the exterior with a soft cloth or sponge using mild soap and water, and then wipe with stainless steel cleaner. Fire up the grill and make sure everything is working properly. Once the grill is cooled, cover it and put it away. Enjoy your grill. For more tips like these, visit me at bullbbq.com and also find some recipes and grilling products as well.